Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have SSID and admin password written down, so start now by plugging the repeater into power near the router. Once it boots and the LED blinks, you join its temporary network from your phone or laptop. This gives you the repeater's setup page. Make sure to pick the same frequency band the router uses if you want best range versus speed. Don't waste time on defaults. Log into the device with the label credentials and open the web or app setup immediately. Now you configure the link. In the setup interface, select repeater or range extender mode, then scan and pick your router's SSID. Enter the router Wi-Fi password so the repeater can authenticate. Once connected, it will bridge traffic. Make sure the security type matches the router, for example WPA2 or WPA3, and leave channel selection on auto unless you know channels. After applying settings, the repeater will reboot and attempt to mirror the router network. This is how devices will hand off between signals. Finish by relocating the repeater to the midpoint between router and dead zone and check the LED for a stable, solid connection. If it shows weak, move it closer. Once done, test speeds on a phone and laptop and verify seamless roaming. Make sure devices connect to the stronger signal. If things go wrong, reboot router and repeater, confirm passwords, and try moving the repeater nearer to the router. As a quick fix, perform a factory reset and repeat setup if a persistent link problem remains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.